Hello everyone. Meet again with my channel Car, Interior and Exterior. In this video we will discuss about cars. The new Mustang GT3 Ford Performance will re-enter top-level GT racing with a factory-backed Mustang GT3 program that will also be made available to customers beginning in 2024. Announced Friday at Daytona International Speedway, the all-new Mustang GT3 will compete in the IMSA WeatherTech SportsCar Championships GTD Pro Class with a two-car factory effort campaigned by Multimatic Motorsports. The Multimatic-built car will be powered by a 5.0-liter Coyote-based Ford V8 engine developed by Ford Performance and tuned by longtime partner M Sport. The effort will mark Ford's return to top-level sports car racing competition following its 4-year factory Ford GT effort with Chip Ganassi Racing that ended in 2019. It had evaluated a move to DPI, and eventually what's since become LMDH, although has opted to instead to remain in the production-based ranks with the global GT3 platform. Mustang was born to race from the start, and we're thrilled to introduce the GT3 version to compete head-to-head against some of the greatest manufacturers in the world, said Ford Performance Motorsports Global Director Mark Rushbrook. With 58 years of global endurance racing heritage, including NASCAR and Australian supercars today, we are ready to take Mustang to the next level of global performance. In addition to operating Ford's factory GTD Pro effort in IMSA, Multimatic will also be charged with customer support for the Mustang GT3 in the GTD class. There's no question that Multimatic Motorsports is the perfect partner on this project for us, said Rushbrook. Not only have they worked with us to develop numerous customer Mustang programs in the past, but its work on the Ford GT program and the new Bronco Drive customer race programs has shown together we can provide championship-level race programs for Ford and its customers. Multimatic's Larry Holt added, "We're excited to work on this new IMSA program as well as the GT3 customer program with Ford Performance. We have a long, great working relationship with each other, both at the highest levels of professional sports car racing, and in developing competitive customer race program and vehicles. We appreciate their faith in us, and together, we can't wait to show the world what's coming down the road with Mustang." The Mustang GT3 will feature bespoke short long-arm suspension front and rear-mounted transaxle gearbox, carbon fiber body panels, as well as a unique aero package developed to meet GT3 targets.